Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to walk you through how to design this beautiful social media design flyer in Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video like this. Also like this video, share with your friend and also with your enemy. Comment how you feel about this video, about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Thank you so much for doing so. In few minutes time, we will get this design done. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's get in started. I've named the design, I've named it with Love Night Design. So that's the name I'm giving to it, and I'm going to be using inches this time around 4 by 5. Then follow the settings, and when you are done, click create. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to work on our background color, and we go to our adjustment layer, go to solid color. Then we are going to use this color code. So we are going by this color code. (2305) When you are done, click on create. Okay. Awesome. The next thing we are going to do is to import our image. This is what we are going to be working on for the background. Then I'm going to rotate it like this. Click OK. I'm going to get rid of some part that I don't need. So I mask it, be on our keyboard, and I'm going to mask on the side. I'm going to get rid of all this edge. Okay, so next thing we are going to do is to duplicate this. Ctrl J to duplicate. Then I'm going to Ctrl T, and I'm going to flip it horizontally and move it to the side. So I'm going to place it like this, where the both edge. I'm going to place it in the middle like this. Let me make I'm going to work on it. I'm going to place it like this. Awesome. I think we are cool. I'm cool with this. Then we're going to go back to our gallery again. We are going to import this lady in. Of course, bring it to the top like this. Then mark it. So first thing, I'm going to work on this image. I want it to pop up. So go to filter, camera raw filter. And make sure it is well centralized. I'm going to centralize it like this. Okay. Then I'm going to mask it and get rid of some part that I'm not needing. Let me bring it to the top like this. Mask, be on our keyboard. Then erase the part that I'm not needing. This part. We go on our keyboard and we will click on rectangle. Go to this rectangular thing. So I'm going to draw a shape here. I won't be doing much here. I'll just go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur. then convert to smart object. Then I'll begin by this settings. Then I'll click on OK. Awesome. I'm cool with this font. I like to work on this background, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this background and I'm going to reduce the opacity. Bring the opacity down a bit. I think it's too much. I'm going to leave it at 17. The attention to be on the details and not the background. So from there we move to our text. I think I can now group this background. Then group it. Ctrl G. And I'll name this one PG. Before we move, let's go back to our gallery again. Before we work on the text, let's drag this one in. I'll drag it here. Should be below. Should be below this image. Okay. I'm going to increase it. And Ecommerce. I'm going to change the blend mode to vanilla. Yes, vanilla. So I want this contrast to be there. And I will blend this part. I want to get rid of some parts that I'm not needing to be. Okay, so this is cool. I'm going to add stroke to this. Stroke. Follow these settings and click OK. Awesome. Now this test is ready. So we are going to work on the remaining test. Change the color to this. This is the color, and this is the color that we use for the stroke. This is the same color we use for the stroke. And we click OK. So you can just try to be creative with your work. So on this image, I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to add some lighting effect on this. And here on our keyboard, using lighting, light weight to this place. Okay, V on my keyboard. Then I'm going to change the blend mode to linear dodge. And under this one too, I'm going to create a lighting effect. change the blend mode to square. So value rather. Sorry. So value. Alright. So I think with this we are good to go, and our design is coming to life. It's looking good and awesome. To wrap it up, we are going to design a collab. So to round it off, I will go to adjustment layer and go to color balance. So you can follow these settings. For this, I will tune to this side. It's a newton. I will tune to this side too, magenta, and give it more of yellow too. Not too much. I think this one is cool. And go to shadow. For the shadow, I will tune to the yellow just a bit. Yeah. And for the highlight, I will tune to the magenta. Okay. I think it's cool like this. And we also go to our adjustment layer, go to fibrance. So let's see what we can do. Let's push up this one. Okay. We'll push up the saturation too. I'll push up this one more. Ouch. No. I think it's cool like this, and we are good to go. Awesome. Our design is ready and it's looking good and it's looking awesome. Alright guys, and with this we come to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the end, and I hope you are able to gain value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Please comment, like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Bye for now.